Does the idea of macaroni salad kind of make you cringe? The stuff from the store deli or the pre-made version in the carton that goes untouched at potlucks? It's either swimming in overly sweet, tangy mayo, or it's dry enough to choke a horse. The only thing I want my macaroni swimming in is cheese sauce, but that's another episode. I stumbled on an old Amish macaroni salad recipe years ago, and while I love the concept of simple home-style ingredients, the original called for a ton of sugar and Miracle Whip. It was just too sweet. So I've been tweaking it over time, and today I'm sharing the version that I finally landed on. It has just the right amount of sweetness, some real savory layers, and a little deviled egg-inspired surprise in the dressing that really sets it apart. Welcome back to Nancy's Homestyle Kitchen, where I show you how to cook real food that feels like home with simple steps, affordable ingredients, and no pressure to be perfect. If macaroni salad has always been a pass for you, you don't want to skip this one. I'll show you a little trick using the egg yolks that gives this dressing more depth and ties the whole dish together. Here are the ingredients that you'll need to make the salad. I'm using 1 pound of cooked, drained, and cooled salad macaroni. This is just a little straight shape. There's no elbow to it. You can use the elbow macaroni if that's what you have, but this is what I wanted to use today, so that's what we're doing. I have 1/4 cup of sugar. The original recipe called for 3/4 of a cup, and I felt like that was way too much. 4 hard-boiled eggs, a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, and for vegetables, I have some celery, red bell pepper, some Italian flat leaf parsley, red onion. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of dill pickle relish, some celery seed, and of course, salt and pepper. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm moving some of this stuff to the side because I want you to see what I'm doing here with the hard-boiled eggs, because this is the hack to the really good, flavorful dressing. Is I have hard-cooked eggs. I have a really simple tutorial on how to cook these in the Instant Pot, which just makes them cook up super quick and easy. And I'll link that in the description. It goes with my deviled egg recipe. But you want to take the yolks out of each of the eggs, and then we're going to cut up the whites and just add the whites to the bowl with the macaroni. And then we're going to mash up these egg yolks and mix them with the mayonnaise, because then it's going to kind of, I think it imparts a deviled egg flavor throughout the salad, which I like. So I have an egg slicer, and I just kind of like to throw them in there, alternate how it's sitting in there. I could do 2 at a time, so I just put them in going this way, take them out, and then put them back in and go the other way, and it just chops them up real quick. So let me get these chopped, and then we'll start making the sauce. So now that I have all the egg whites in the bowl, all the yolks, I'm just going to take a small fork and I'm going to mash them up. And you want them to get into really small, kind of grainy consistency. This is going to help incorporate into the mayonnaise mixture so much better. And really, when the yolks stay with the whites attached in there, I feel like you kind of lose some of the flavor. And by just mixing this in with the mayonnaise, I think it really changes the depth of flavor of the sauce. Okay, so that's pretty good. So you just want it to kind of look like coarse sand. And I'm going to go ahead and just put this in this taller mixing container or measuring cup. And then we're going to add in the 1 cup of mayonnaise. Let's get that in there. And 1 tablespoon of mustard. half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So we'll get that in there. And then a full tablespoon of dill pickle relish. Now, I would have thought that I would use sweet pickle relish with it, but no, the dill pickle relish really makes it, give it that savory note without making it too sweet. And then we need half of a teaspoon of celery seed. A couple pinches of salt. And some fresh black pepper. Okay, so that is it. This is the sauce. We just want to whisk it up really, really well, because we want to try to dissolve that sugar that's in there and really incorporate all the ingredients. So the other good thing about this recipe too is if you do like your macaroni salad a little on the wetter side, you can always just make more of this. And then sometimes I find when macaroni salad sits for a day or so in the refrigerator, the pasta can tend to soak up some of the dressing. So now that you know all the ingredients, you can always just make a small batch to add it in there and just freshen it up. Okay, that's it for the dressing. Oh my gosh. I totally forgot the sugar. It's on the other side of the bowl. Let's add that in, people. And whisk it again. You know what? This is the beauty of YouTube, and I'm just being honest with you. This is what you're getting in my kitchen. It's still gonna turn out, but you know what? There may be some little flubs along the way, but whatever. Okay. I think I got distracted with the apple cider vinegar. That's too funny. Now we can add it to the macaroni and the egg whites. You guys are probably sitting there watching me doing this, yelling at the TV. The sugar! You forgot the sugar! I watch YouTube all the time, all these different channels, and I'm totally yelling at people on there too, so feel free. Okay. Now, all we have to do is add the vegetables. So this is 3 stalks of celery that I've diced really fine. And this is half of a red bell pepper. And this is a 1 cup container, so it kind of gives you a guide of how much I'm using. Now, red onion, my husband's not a big onion fan, so the recipe is about 1/4 to 1/2 of a red onion. So I'm just going to eyeball it and add about that much because he's just not a big onion fan, so a little goes a long way. And you can see how colorful this is, especially with the red bell pepper. It just makes it stand out. And it's just not that one color mushy macaroni salad from the store. Okay, finally, Italian flat leaf parsley, which is my favorite parsley to cook with. And a little bit of that goes a long way, especially fresh. If you use dried parsley, you could put more in there. And feel free to use dried parsley if that's all you have. It'll still give it another layer of flavor. And you might need to add a little more, but fresh is always much more flavorful. All right, so this is it. We are done. Here is the macaroni salad. And what I like to do is actually sprinkle some paprika on top. So let's get the paprika out. And I would put this in a different type of a serving bowl. And then I just take some sweet paprika and sprinkle it over the top. And this also kind of helps with that nod to the deviled egg flavor, because deviled eggs are always better with paprika. Okay, let's give it a taste. And you can see it's creamy, but it is not swimming in sauce. I'm gonna have to call my friend. Her son loves this. Took the rest home from a party we were at a couple weeks ago, and I think he ate it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Definitely has a hint of sweetness. The deviled egg flavor carries through the salad really, really well. And it is a hit. So give this a try if you do. I'd love to hear in the comments what you think about it. And hopefully I've given you another option for a salad that's perfect for your summer barbecues and picnics. If you like this kind of content, please hit that like button, consider subscribing. And until next time, enjoy your summer, enjoy some salad, and I'll see you on the next video.